In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to Dropbox. If you're new to Dropbox or simply need a refresher, you've come to the right place. Once you've successfully logged into your Dropbox account, your next stop is the Files section. This area of Dropbox is essentially the command center, where you'll find all your stored files and folders. It's designed to simulate the experience of navigating through files on your personal computer. The interface is user-friendly and straightforward, making it easy for anyone to find their way around. Now let's get to the main focus of our tutorial today: uploading your video. As you explore the Files section, you'll encounter an option that reads, Upload Files. This is your starting point for transferring your precious videos into the cloud. Clicking on this Upload Files option presents you with two choices: the drag and drop method, or selecting files manually through the file picker. This flexibility is all about catering to your convenience, enabling you to decide how you want to upload. Whether you're uploading a single video or multiple videos at once, Dropbox has got you covered. Once you click on Upload, you'll be prompted to navigate through your computer's directories. Think of it like attaching a document to an email. You browse through your folders, select the video file you wish to upload, and hit Open. As soon as you've made your selection, the upload begins. You'll notice a progress bar that starts to fill up as Dropbox securely stores your video in the cloud. And there you have it. That's essentially all there is to it. As soon as the upload completes, your video is safely stored in your Dropbox account. Having completed the upload, you can now access your video from anywhere, share it with anyone, or simply keep it as a backup file. One of the most remarkable aspects of Dropbox is the freedom it provides. You're able to access your files from any device, from any location worldwide. Here are a couple more tips to get the most out of your Dropbox experience. If you want to keep your digital space organized, simply arrange your videos into folders, much like you would on your computer. This practice not only keeps things tidy, but also makes it significantly easier for you to locate files later on. Additionally, if you're planning to share these videos, Dropbox offers a range of privacy settings. You have full control over who can view your content, making this a powerful tool for collaboration or simply sharing priceless memories with family and friends. And that concludes our quick guide on how to upload videos to Dropbox in about 5 minutes. It's a process that's simple, secure, and efficient. Dropbox ensures your videos are stored safely and frees up valuable space on your devices. Whether you're a professional collaborating on projects or sharing precious family moments, Dropbox makes managing your digital content incredibly easy. Happy uploading, and remember, a well-organized digital space is key to a more productive digital life.